Can you lose weight with just a diet but no workout?
You can, but you will be losing muscle.
Hmm.
So the problem is muscle loss.
And can you lose weight with just working out and no restriction on food?
N- Not really. You can gain weight like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because when you are doing weight training and you're having enough food, so you actually tend to gain muscle. Every fiber of muscle, like say 100 grams of muscle, will have at least 300, 400 grams of water inside them. So you'll gain weight that way.
Mm.
So a lot of people come to me with doing everything right in their head, which is gluten free, this free, and having enough protein. In fact, only protein, very little carbs, working out twice in a day, and not losing weight but gaining weight. And actually, in their head, after reading everything on internet, they're doing everything right, right?
Yeah.
You're having low carb, you're having enough protein for your health, and you're really working out, but you're not losing weight. So could be hormonal imbalance, could be the timing of exercise, could be the carb and protein balance. So we look into everything, timings of the meal, and then we suggest them.
Can drinking water help with weight loss?
Actually, yes. Now people will going to like really send a lot of things on the internet for this. So why it helps you to lose weight? First of all, water detoxifies you. It removes everything like what is not wanted in your skin and your gut and everything. And how it helps you to lose weight is I have seen a big set of people who when actually they're thirsty, but they are wanting to have either tea, coffee, or any food to eat or a fruit or a buttermilk. So I said, listen, before you want to reach out for any food, you first have water. Then, if you're still hungry, then have. And because of this, so many people have just lost weight just because of being mindful about drinking water. Somehow all of us are not drinking enough water. I hardly find anyone who comes to me, oh, I drink 2 liters of water. Yeah, I drink less water because all of us are working, right? We
Yeah.
forget. Like, I've forgotten for this last 1.5 hours.
Yeah. No, I'm very good with my water now.
Yeah, good. That's why you have such
No,
fantastic skin.
thank you.
Yeah.
But how much water is ideal?
Yeah, depending on the place you live, like a person in Dubai needs maybe more if they are more outside, say 2.5 to 3 liters, and Mumbai, because it's very humid, maybe 2 to 2.5 liters, and in very cold places, maybe 3 liters, cold and dry.
Hmm.
Dehydration is one of the biggest problem all of us are facing, causes constipation, causes urinary tract infection, causes clogged skin, many things because of dehydration, headache, migraine. People don't realize.
So the biggest debate right now is should you be eating at regular intervals or should you be doing intermittent fasting and kind of pulling out the intervals with your
Yeah.
food and meals?
So I'm not for intermittent fasting because I've seen too many bad effects of intermittent fasting.
Okay, and what are they?
So I have seen that intermittent fasting or anyone above, especially women above the age of 35, 40, is really bad. First of all, it causes, stress hormones to go high like cortisol, which is a total, then your body gets into flight and fight mode. Then you have low immunity because you've not eaten for a long time, but maybe still working out or you're still involved in housework or office work and not eating. So how does your body takes care of your immunity? Then thirdly, you start getting so frequent cold and coughs, and then you have also acidity. A lot of people suffer from acidity, and the biggest problem is l- low metabolism. You start dropping your metabolism because you're actually eating a muscle for energy.
Hmm.
So the biggest problem is you're using your muscle for burning your energy, but suppose you wake up at 6, but you're going to eat at maybe 12. So 6 hours you are working out, you are doing your daily chores. Where is the energy going to come from? How much energy is stored from the last night? Maybe not much, right? And glycogen way. So that is one issue. Then they lose weight, of course, the whole world, because the easiest way to diet, right? Oh, eat only 8 hours and eat anything. And they also have wrong choices of food. So this way, what I have seen is happened is they are making wrong choices. They think they can eat anything during that 8 hour window. They and at the same time they are losing muscle, so metabolism is dropping, so they gain everything back also, many of them,
Hmm.
and with such a big huge amount of ton of side effects.
You know who's going to promote this reel the most?
Yeah, who?
My dad.
Really? He
because my
doesn't
mom
believe.
does IF and he hates it
Okay.
because that means that she doesn't have breakfast with him. So
Oh,
he absolutely hates it. So
yeah.
any reel on IF and
Mm.
IF being bad is just, he's the biggest promoter of it.
Yes,
It's sent on
great.
all the
Tell
WhatsApp
him.
groups.
So, what I believe or self-care believes is 12-hour fasting. Your first meal and the last meal around should be the same time. Or if you want to do really sort of a little bit elongated time, it can be 14 hours to the maximum fasting. So I start my day at 9:30 in the morning, and I have my dinner at around 8:30. So I do around 13 hours of fasting.
Okay. Okay. Just not the
Also, if you
entire
have,
16
yeah,
hours.
not 16 hours ever, ever. And also, if you have what people think, because all of us are now in these trends of gadgets which we wear. So I've been wearing since 5 years.
See, I've just come into this phase, so I'm going to buy one this week.
I'll tell you the best one. So I believe in Aura Ring.
And why? Why do you prefer that over the others?
Maybe because I'm used to it since 5 years I've been wearing it. I understand how to read HRV, how to read my heart rate and lowest heart rate and balance this, everything about it. And it counts my steps, it counts my calories burn, it counts my it checks my fever on the night, it checks my stress levels. It's like I really trust my ring for, yeah.
So
So
highly recommend this.
highly. I understood that having alcohol late in the evening or having any caffeinated drink late in the evening disturbs my sleep and disturbs my HRV. And watching anything stressful, kind of a movie also late in the night causes your heart rate to go up. So then your heart rate dips much later in the night. So I have seen that if I have my dinner earlier, say around 7:30 or between 8:30, I sleep much better. Either I have my dinner earlier and have my smoothie. I have a protein smoothie because I'm above 50, right? So I need to have balance of protein. So either I have my protein smoothie later or I have my protein smoothie earlier and have my dinner later. But yeah, my aim is to clock my sleep very well and have my readiness to the highest. So I love this ring, and it is some people say it makes you really anxious, but that doesn't happen with me because it's a tool for me to, it guides me through the day, and it makes me sort of stick to a little healthier options, healthier food towards the late in the evening, and stick to my exercise routine. It tells me so many things. That's why I like it. And I really highly recommend any kind of like Whoop or
Yeah.
this or Ultra Human, anything.
Okay, lovely.